Hi, I'm Alicia Fall-Corton from the Princess Pollywog Boutique, and I sell Paisley Raye. I'm here to talk to you about the 7 reasons why I picked Paisley Raye over the competition like LuLaRoe, Agnes and Dora, Epiphany, and all the other ones. Reason number 1, all Paisley Raye items are made in the USA, right here on American soil. I love that. Keeps jobs here, helps this economy, and I knew it would help with quality control. Reason number 2, all fabrics and prints are hand picked and sewn. So this is also going to help with the quality of the product. These items are going to last more than just a few washes. Reason number 3, this company is a ground floor opportunity. I wanted to be on the front edge of something awesome and great. It's already a great company, but I just know it's going to bloom into something amazing. I also knew that I wasn't going to be drowning and fighting and scrapping for a place here in this company. They take care of their retailers and they never want to grow so big that they have to leave United States manufacturing. So I feel that the retailers are never going to have to step all over each other and really have to fight for a place. There's enough fish in this pond for everyone. Reason number 4, it's still a roulette warehouse like the other company I came from, so I pick the style and sizes that I need, but they pick the prints or the solids that I get. I actually like this because I'm extremely indecisive, so I would be sitting there for hours trying to figure out what to pick. I also like this because people are gonna like different things than what I like. So unless I found a bunch of customers who are exactly like me, it would be terrible if I picked everything. So I really, really like that it's a roulette warehouse. It's a bonus too because they don't do as many different print combinations as my old company, so it's still easy to make outfits for people because I'm getting some of the styles in the different sizes. So if someone says, hey, I really like that in the 1X that you have, but I need it in a small, I usually have it or can find it somewhere within our community of retailers. So I really, really enjoy the way that they do their prints and their roulette warehouse. Reason number 5, I really like the way they set up their styles and their launches. So we have 12 Hall of Fame styles. It can vary, 10 to 14, right in there. And those are always available, always in production. And they freshen up the prints and the solids for colors and prints that are really popular right now. So I feel like my boutique is always going to be trendy and in fashion. Also, we have a spring, summer, and a fall, winter launch. And you're going to see things come in that are made from materials and fabrics that are trending right now. So it's summertime right now. So the things in those launches have been fabrics that are flowy and lightweight and prints and colors that are really in right now. And then they're already thinking about things for the fall and winter and predicting the colors and the materials and the styles that are going to be really in for this coming season. So it's really cool. I love that my boutique always has the freshest, hottest styles. Reason number 6, Paisley Raye takes your stock photos of your inventory for you. No longer are you going to have to spend hours taking pictures of your inventory and then editing them to make sure that the colors match up, and then you still think the colors don't match up as great as what they could be. I love, love, love this feature. I save so much time that I can dedicate towards other things for my business or even time with my family. Reason number 7, last but definitely not least, Paisley Raye allows me to have my own boutique, my own LLC. I could even have a storefront if I would like, maybe once the kids are gone. And they allow me to carry other accessories and items like belts, jewelry, you name it, you can have it, okay? So it's really cool that I'm able to have that. Alright, so those are the 7 reasons why I picked Paisley Raye over all the other competition in the clothing direct sales line. If you have any other questions, please contact me, and we'll see you next time, alright?